Responsibilities. At this juncture, maghinataga sila different areas of responsibilities as a husband and of course as a wife. So atong i-witness ang ilang paghinataga of different areas of responsibilities. So naghaling ingon, ang pinakadako daw na pagkungit mo kung pinakagugmaan sa ila. So atong i-witness, kinsay mas gugmaan sa ilang luha. Once again, this slicing of the cake symbolizes the giving of responsibilities. So karon maghinataga sila responsibilities as a husband and of course as a wife. Okay, si Margie na muna. Okay?
Dako yung pagmahal.
Yun, bawas.
Bawas, dako kayo.
Kananda ko kay John, kaya parang ikaw ginagugmaan kay.
Ay, gamay naman.
Gamay naman.
Dako.
Okay! Atong palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. Atong young couple in their first public kiss. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Picture, kiss.
Tissue.
Okay, and a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. At this time, we should have the toasting of matrimonial wine. So, and of course, for the information of everybody, that's toasting of matrimonial wine symbolizes the acceptance of responsibility. So, naghinataga na sila different areas of responsibilities at this juncture, ilang i-accept ang ilang different areas of responsibilities. So, itong i-request atong couple to please cross your arms. Okay, and do toasting. 1, 2, 3, go! Atong palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, thank you so much. So since ang oras karon na patay time for the wedding ritual,